the intro looking like that, not like that. Hello guys, my name is Kaya. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel, and to the ones that are not new, what's up? You already know what it is. I am back with another video. This video, honestly, it was for the brushes. This video is really based off of these brushes. I ordered them from bhcosmetics.com, and it is the Rose Quartz 9-piece brush set. So I really like BH Cosmetics brushes, so I kind of wanted to do a video fully focused on the brushes, so I could just tell you like how I felt about each brush and how I used each brush. So that's what it's really gonna be. So I really just focused on the eyes, and then whatever the brushes that I use for my face, I did include that in this tutorial. So that's really what this tutorial is going to be about. You'll get to see how I created this eye look, and you get to see a little bit of my face makeup as well. So if you like what you see, please stay tuned, and we're just going to jump into the video. Yeah, let's go. So I am going to start with priming my eyes with the concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then I'm going to set it with the Kat Von D powder. So this is the brush set from BH Cosmetics. This is the number 4 brush. I'm going to use it to set my eyes. It's a very firm brush, but it does the job with packing on powder. I definitely will use it from now on to pack on the powder on my lids like I'm doing in this part of the clip now. You can definitely get a good amount of powder with this brush. Like, it really will pack on the powder like you need it to. So I find that very helpful with this brush. We're going to jump into the Morphe Brushes 35C palette, and I'm going to jump into these 2 green shades. This is a blending brush. It is the number 5 brush. It's a really nice blending brush. Like, it gets the product on your eye very well. Like, look at how that color just picked up on the brush. So it's very easy to maneuver. It isn't as soft, however, it still gets the product on well enough. It's soft enough to actually blend out the color, that you can get the color where you need it to be, so you have a lot of control with this brush. Next, we're going to use this number 6 brush from the collection. It's more of a shader brush, like you can really pack on color with it, which is why I went with this brush to actually get the real detail with the deep green shade. So I'm just going to literally use pat motions to build the color up, so that way my crease will be very, very defined and green. Next, we're going to use this very detailed blending brush. This is the number 7 brush, and I'm going to use this darker green shade and a little bit of black because I want to deepen up my crease a little bit so we can have more of definition and a little bit more of a like fire look. Like, I want it to look like it's very detailed and just a little bit darker. So I'm using that brush just to darken up the crease a bit. And then we're just going to go back and forth with this brush and the blending brush and just blend out the shades until they're nice and seamless and we can't tell like harsh separation between the shades. We're going to jump into the glitter. This is the Too Faced glitter glue, and then I'm using a NYX metallic glitter. It's the black one, but I don't remember the name, so I will put it in the description box. I'm going to use the number 9 brush. It's more like a concealer flat brush, and I'm going to use it to carve out my crease with that NYX glitter glue before I apply the glue. I meant before I apply the glitter. So I'm going to use that same brush that I used to apply the glitter glue. I'm using the same brush to apply the glitter. So the glitter is black and it wasn't doing the power that I want it to, so I'm going to take this other NYX glitter. I believe it's Ice. I could be wrong, but I'll put it in the description bar below. But I used that shade because it gave me more of the shine and glittery effect I was looking for, and I liked how it came out green. It was perfect for this look. Now I'm just blending everything together with that small detail blending brush just to make sure it's nice and good. And that basically completes the eyes. So now we're going to move on to the face. Now I'm going to use this big fluffy angle brush. It is the #1 brush, and I'm going to use it to put on my contour. So it was working nice, and then I put it on the other side, and that was a different story. So I don't know if it was the product or if it was the brush, but that's never happened with this product before, and it literally like wasn't even applying smoothly. It went everywhere but where I wanted it to go, and I kind of felt like it was the brush, but I kept using it. The brush is very, very hard, and it's kind of hard to work with, but I mean, I made it work. Next, I'm going to jump into this really fluffy brush. I believe this is a #3 brush. It's the perfect brush to wipe powder away with. Like, I was very pleased. It's so soft, and it literally blends everything in together. I was kind of feeling the music I was listening to, obviously. But I'm also going to use it to apply this Fit Me powder, and it applies so well. Like, this is my new favorite powder brush. Next, I'm going to use this smaller brush. I think it's a #5 brush. It's really like more for building up color on your lid, but I was going to use it for my highlighter because I felt like it would give me a more controlled feel since it was a loose highlighter, but it wasn't applying it as light or as heavy. I'm not gonna say light, as heavy as I wanted it to. It didn't show the color payoff, so I went back to my Morphe M501 brush to really get that shine, that super glow that I like to go with. All in all, the brushes are really nice. They're really affordable, and they get the job done of what you need to do. Yes, it's going to take a little bit more work. You have to be patient with the brushes and know how to work with them, but the brushes are actually really nice. So I would definitely recommend them if you ever wanted to try out BH Cosmetic brushes. They would definitely be worth your coins. And if you take care of them well, they can definitely last for a while. I've had a lot of my sets for a long time, and they've lasted me for a long time. Lastly, I am applying this J-Cat makeup setting spray, which has a wonderful smell, by the way. And now I'm going to use that same brush to just apply some highlight to my collarbones, which I feel like it works a whole lot better to apply the highlight to my chest than it did my face. So that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please make sure you thumbs up this video, and also if you are not, please subscribe to my channel so we can keep growing and growing and growing. Yeah, so if you aren't, please subscribe and make sure you like the video if you liked it, and let me know what you didn't like in the comments below or what you did like in the comments below. So just comment and let me know what you want to see next in a video as well. So that was it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.